How to apply an extreme shear effect in Affinity Photo. With the layer selected, go to Filters and Distort and down to Equations. Going with Cartesian, and for the X value here, I'm going to put A, and that's one of the parameters. At this point, you can see the effect, not so great. Then times, then bracket, and put Rx. That's a relative X. You can move and reposition things, which is very useful. You could just put X as well if you wish. However, times 2, and then plus, again, RY times 5. You got that. However, you can modify this by going down here to the extend mode. Now you can try full, which makes that white there, or repeat, stretches out. I'm not so keen on that. Wrap, as well as mirror. I'm going to go with mirror. However, I've got Y there. I'm going to go and put B times, whenever you put something that's not valid, it will show it red. However, takes a few seconds, just put Rx times 3, and you can put minus as well. RY times 4. Try a whole variety of different settings there. So you could put, instead of 5, you could put 2.5. Or go for RX and put minus there. Sometimes the result, not great, just change it back to a plus. You can also put 3.2 or make it 10, even more extreme. However, you can also modify these, and as you do that, you can see the result there. You can also modify the B as well, and you can see the result there. You can create all kinds of really extreme designs. However, one thing should be noted, there's no presets here. So if you make an equation you like, you're really happy with that equation, just write it down into a notebook and record it. And once you're happy, click apply. Now, of course, also what you can do, you can go to Filters and Repeat Equations if you want to apply it again. Result can be quite extreme. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you much.